That's you. That's you. He's looking at his reflections. Look, that's you. This is me. Look how handsome. You've seen yourself in the mirror. Move and you'll see. Like, come on, buddy. Don't scare me. You should know that's you. Seriously, you're inflating your tail? Come on. This is a little embarrassing. I really wish he would recognize himself. Come on, you're smarter than that, bro. It's you. I promise. Look at his tail. Look at his tail. Come on, man. Do you think there's a serval wandering around South Carolina at his church other than you? It's you. Serious. Look. It's you.